Howdy, how you doing? Today we're going on a barbecue run. Gonna be hitting some of my old stomping grounds. We're gonna head to the hills for a few minutes and have a nice little ride. What'd you say you come along? Well, that was some nice clutch work there, Kurt. This is a favorite road of mine during the spring. The hills are pretty green. Some nice rolling hills. Livestock. But as you can see, it's a little more rural. Haven't ridden this road in a while. I always loved these S-turns. These are a classic. We're gonna make a left and head towards town because we've got some barbecue waiting for us. I have pre-ordered some tri-tip and some brisket from the Trail Dust Barbecue, which is in downtown Morgan Hill. It is one of the finest barbecue places in the area, in my opinion. Nice blooms. Yep, these go fast too, and they last about 2 weeks. But they're gorgeous. They're pretty much just about in full bloom. Okay, we're almost there. There's a Thai restaurant right here on the corner practically that I really like. This place right here, Siam Thai. They're awesome. Go there if you're in town. Of course, no parking. Park it right here. All right, we have picked up the barbecue. Time to head home. Traffic gods are smiling upon me. Okay, this guy has a turn signal, but he didn't turn. I was thinking real hard of shooting past him, but wow, he's all over the road too, isn't he? I want to ease off and give him a little bit of extra distance. Of course, it's not like motorcyclists never drive down the road with their blinkers flashing for miles. I lived near town that was right down this road, about half a mile. Okay, I gotta wick it up a little bit for this because these turns are awesome. This is right off of my turn off back in the day. Even if I was going to town, sometimes I would just scooch right up this hill. Oh, that was horrible. Shift. God, I botched that. That was not smooth. This is real close to home. I've redone this bridge over the years. And by home, I mean where I grew up. I don't live here anymore. I miss it though. You can see a lot of stars at night out here. Decent water levels. This is nice. God knows we need the water. But when it's totally dry, you can see where the old roads were and where the old creek was, and these tiny little concrete bridges still exist. And it's kind of cool. It's like a little snapshot of time. I rounded this corner once, and right about here in the middle of this short straightaway was a cow. He'd gotten through the fence there on the left. Out in the country though, you can get surprised by all kinds of stuff.